everyone, it's Valerie here, and I want to show you how you can transform an ugly basement bedroom floor into something beautiful. We are going to paint the concrete and also stencil it. We chose to do this because where we are, the house is prone to flooding and also it's pretty wet and humid, and we did not want to put down carpet or wood just because that would mold. So as you can see, the room needs a lot of work. We're going to paint the floor and then work on the drywall. First off, while you are doing this, you need to make sure to clean the floor. We rented a floor grinder, so we ground down the floor, and then we needed to fill in all the cracks. And there were nails in the floor from carpet before, so we had to fill in all those nail holes too. After we made the floor all clean and all the holes were filled, we used this Valspar Fast Prep Ready to Use solution, and it helps degrease any areas and clean it. After the floor is completely prepped and ready, now you can put down the concrete bonding primer. If you need more than one coat, you need to wait an hour between coating, and then also you are not supposed to wait more than 4 hours before putting on your next coat of paint, and the next coat would be the color you want as the foundation of the floor. And we chose a white. Next, let me show you how you stencil. This was the fun part. It was so awesome to see a transformation of the bedroom. So I got the stencil off of Etsy. It's a Scandinavian print, and it is 18 inches wide. The stencil I used, it had some writing on it, the logo of the company, so we taped over that. And then you have to make sure that you line up the stencils really well. And when you are painting, you want to use less paint than you think you actually would need. If you glop it on, it's going to bleed through and it will ruin the floor. So we just make sure when you're rolling that you don't have much paint, and go across back and forth, different directions, and voila! Well, this was super fun. I'm really glad we did it, and we've had the floor painted for a couple months now, and it's held up quite nicely. We didn't add any extra layers of anything on top. There is one kind of scuff on it. That's about it. My only, I guess, thing I thought about before painting is that I would have chose not white, just because I feel like we are mopping the floors in that room more often if, you know, people walk through with dirty feet. But it does look beautiful, and I do love it. Well, thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe. And I hope that you guys have success if you paint your floors like this.